Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hey guys, it's your Pealpb. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do the DJI Mini 2, the drone unboxing video. So as you can see, drone ta like it's just second version. The first version DJI Mini. So a Mini 2 এর দুইটা pack আসছে. You can say that like একটা শুধু drone and the controller. And this one is a combo with drone, controller, the 3 batteries, propellers, the charger, and the bag. So now we're gonna unbox this drone.
So I need a knife. I need a knife for that. Where is the thing? Okay, got it. What is your reaction? So, are you guys ready? Let's go. Okay, what do we got here? We got a bag. It's an empty box. So you can see it's DJI. You can carry like in your shoulder. এটা সব থেকে ভালো because DJI যেটা ফার্স্ট বের হইছে one just mini এটার ব্যাগটা শুধু হ্যান্ডেলের বাট এটা তুমি শোল্ডারে ক্যারি করতে পারবে I guess it's a good idea there. Let's open this. Okay.
So we got here, okay, that's our drone. You can see, okay, it's a really light drone.
Interesting.
It's ultra light and
It's 249 grams, so it's really light. You can keep in your pocket. It's so small and tiny. Okay, what else we got here? Yeah, the controller, as you know. Open up, come on. Okay. Damn, this look like my PS4 controller. Okay, so we got control freaks, the thing here. Okay. Skims here, you can see. Come on. What do we got here? Okay. I guess we got a book. We can open this later. Accessories. We got the cable. Like, অনেকের Android আছে, অনেকের iOS আছে, so এক একজনের এক একটা cable. Okay, না, এখানে হাতের মধ্যে. Yeah, that's the cable too. That's the charger. Yep. And that's the charger you can see. Okay. So there's 2 battery here. So I'm guessing 1 battery inside this, the drone. There is a pocket here. So okay. So we got here 3 propellers. And what else? The extra control freaks. And the screwdriver for the propellers, so you can put it by yourself. Okay.
you're gonna open the drone now. So it's like a seat belt, so you can keep the wings, you can keep together, you know. Okay, it's open and boom. Okay, there's a lot of sticker here. I need to open those sticker first.
You will open it.
You see, that's a lot of sticker. Okay, it's
Ooh.
really tiny. Trust me.
I thought it's gonna be bigger. I really did.
Okay, it's like this. So you can you guys can see it's really tiny and really small. You can see the camera right here. I don't know how to. Oh yeah, you can see the camera right here. So That's 4K 360 camera. Okay, and you can see here the memory card and the USB cable for that here, and the battery, as you know. So আমি জানি না এখানে চার্জ আছে কিনা. I need to know. First we're gonna open this. How are you gonna open? Okay, I guess I got it.
So I'm guessing there's no charge in this battery. So I have to put it in the charge. So, full charge now. Everything is okay. So we're gonna try to fly this. So let's see. Let's try here. Okay, so I have to turn it on first. And yeah, everything's okay so far. So I guess it's connected. Oh, you can see everything is perfect. So we're gonna try to fly. Test the mode. Take off. So I'm guessing it's perfect. Yeah, you can see it's okay. Don't do that. I'm just scared of the
Okay, so you can see perfect. So we're gonna now we're gonna try to flew outside, and we're gonna see some view of around Pealpb city. So see you there. Here we go. I'm outside here with me MD, my man. So see, shop is ready and just take off. Ready to fly. So we're gonna look around our city. Hey guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, and comments please. Let me know what's wrong, and share please. So please subscribe and share. So I'll see you in next video.